Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee M12 Pro Press kit. Model number on this guy is 247322. Great reviews online on these guys. Really popular tool. We definitely get asked for it a lot in the store. Kind of cool that we actually got one. So getting right into it, guys. So the head will pivot. You can also flip this up to put your jaws in. Once it's at the top, you'll see it slides over like so. From there, and this guy comes with a 1/2 inch, a 3/4 inch, and a 1 inch jaw, and you can also get some other ones as well. So that's gonna drop right in just like so. Then this is gonna go back in like that, pivot down, and now it's locked in. You're also gonna drop a battery in here, and basically this is gonna be open and able to go right around the whatever your pipe is that you're trying to use it on. And you'll go ahead, all you got to do is push the button, and when you do it, it's going to force something up, which is going to close this and crimp it for you. So just to give you an idea, you'll see it start to clip, boom, and then you see it releases at the end, goes back down, so you can use it again. And that is this tool, guys. Really neat. Like we said, we're excited that we got one in at Spend Less Store. It will be for sale on our website at www.spendlessstore.com. And thanks again for watching. If anybody has any ideas for future videos, other tools you would like to see reviewed, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments below. Do not forget to smash up the likes, and whatever you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe, because that's going to enter you to win this entire kit. We're giving it away to a subscriber at the end of April, and another tool away to a subscriber every month thereafter. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it.